the all-in cocktail. How exactly does one go all in? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how. Get yourself a mixing glass, get yourself a cube. Within your stirring apparatus, you're going to add the following: 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of rye whiskey. We're all about the spicy stuff. 3/4 of an ounce or about 22 milliliters of dry vermouth. We're apparently also all about the dry stuff. Can't forget 3/4 of an ounce or about 22 milliliters of the bitter stuff. And don't you dare forget about 1/4 ounce or 7 milliliters of the chocolatey stuff. Or perhaps we'd call this the creamy stuff. Crème stuff. The cacao stuff. The cocoa stuff? It's really all the stuff. I mean, that's why they're calling it all in. Or like, maybe this is supposed to be a card joke. Today your lucky card is the 3 of diamonds. May it serve you well. Prop your stirring device onto a sacrificial yoga block or two, and zoom in to make it look pretty. Stir it up until it gets all nice and frosty. Stirring drinks always makes me think of gambling. While you get a glass to start chilling, get a lemon peel. We do this by peeling a lemon. Take your mildly chilled glass, strain your mixture within the glass, express the lemon peel, and then sacrifice it, and take a sip of your masterpiece. It really does have all of it in there. It's got the chocolate, it's got the orange, it's got the lemon twists, and it's got the spice. Spirit forward. And it kind of smells like an old vineyard, or like the sidewalk leading into an orange grove. Not sure how I got that idea. Curb your gambling addiction by switching it out with